Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Dragonpass Lounge Access. First, you need to download the Dragonpass app. After downloading the app, open it and register your account. Activate your membership using the details provided by your bank or card issuer. This is usually a membership number, an activation code, or your card details. Once registered, you will see your digital membership card inside the app. Next, use the app to find airport lounges. Open the lounge search feature and enter the name of your airport. The app will show a list of lounges that accept Dragonpass at that location. You can tap on any lounge to see important details like opening hours, location inside the airport, and available facilities. This helps you choose the best lounge before you arrive. On the day of travel, go to the lounge you selected. At the entrance, open the Dragonpass app and show your digital membership card or QR code. The lounge staff will scan the code to confirm your access. You will also need to show your boarding pass and sometimes your passport for verification. After check-in, you can enter the lounge and enjoy seating, food, drinks, and Wi-Fi. Lounge stay time is usually limited to a few hours, depending on the lounge rules. Thanks for watching.